Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and scene. Wipe the lens and remove any case that blocks the camera. Once done, open camera and turn on grid for better composition so you can align subjects precisely. Now tap and hold on the subject until the yellow box and AE/AF lock appear. This fixes focus and exposure so the phone won't refocus mid-shot. This step gives consistent sharpness and prevents the camera from hunting when you're composing or moving slightly. Once the camera is locked, refine how the image looks by sliding the exposure control up or down to balance highlights and shadows. This prevents blown-out skies and soft subjects. If you want subject separation, switch to portrait and position the subject within the recommended distance range. Move closer or back until the camera confirms depth. Make sure to stabilize with a tripod or steady surface to avoid motion blur. Because sharp focus also depends on camera steadiness, you're ready to capture. Take several frames and use burst for moving subjects so you can pick the sharpest one. After shooting, open photos to fine-tune sharpness, exposure, and depth control to adjust background blur. These edits rescue marginal focus and improve perceived detail. If the camera repeatedly misses focus, try the quick troubleshooting tip. Clean the lens, remove any case, restart the phone, and check for iOS updates. If needed, test with a tripod to rule out motion causing the blur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.